Hey everybody, it is Monday, September 27th, and as luck would have it, the house is unlocked, so I'm inside. Big development this week is there is electricity in here. It's also got the air conditioning turned on, so much more comfortable. The smoke detectors are chirping, and there's even an audible voice that says out loud, there it is, low battery. This kind of creeped me out when I first opened the door because I heard a voice and I didn't know what in the world. Because I'm sneaking in here, I'm not supposed to be here for another hour or so. But I also see one of the things that I have been wondering about. I'm going to show you. This is inside the sink cabinet. Now, there is a receptacle and a switch. That is for the garbage disposal. And I have been wondering, well, I had seen the last receptacle, the receptacle in there on the last video I made. So I knew it would be possible to install a garbage disposal. But then I was thinking, well, where in the world would the switch go? So I was a little worried about that. But as you can see, you just simply open up the cabinet and turn it on. I can do that. That is the only development that actually there is another biggie. Let me take you through. We're gonna go upstairs too, of course. Okay, the dining room chandelier. I'm also going to want to install dimmers on these light switches. But we also have our front sidewalk poured and some dirt that's ready to be spread. You can see the house across the street got its landscaping, so we should get ours soon. And okay, let's go upstairs and see what's new. Wait, I do kind of want to turn on the light in my office for the first time ever. My itty bitty office. Okay, it's teeny tiny. But all I really need to do is sit down and we'll make some nice built-in shelves in this little cubby. And I'm gonna have a built-in work surface made. It's gonna be adequate. Alrighty. Now, let me show you. There's lots of places that now are lit up brightly and I can see, for instance, the half bath. This commode is still not installed, but that's okay. And also, for the first time, it's nice to be able to see, I see some caulking that needs to get done. Nice to be able to, whoops, that's the fan. Yeah, the lighting over the shower and tub unit. And I didn't turn on the, let's see, that's still the fan. There we go. Also in this little commode cubby, now that's just dust and sand on the floor. I'm okay with that. In my last video, I thought, oh gosh, they've stained the tile. No, they have not. The tile is fine. That is sand. So, okay, let's go upstairs. I'll turn off these big old lights. Now they've got the excuse me. They have the thermostat set on 78. That's a little warm, but I'm not going to fool with it. I'm not paying the bill right now. That's probably what the superintendent tells them to do. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Ooh, it doesn't feel like the air's on up here. Either that or there's some windows open. Looks like somebody's been sweeping up here. Definitely not here. let's see this. Oh yeah, it's 83 degrees up here. Woo! I wonder if I should turn this on. I don't think I will. I don't want to get anybody in trouble if they were instructed only the downstairs. This is all kind of plastery, drywall, mud kind of stuff. Well, this tile and bath look nice under the bright light. Now I can see right there, that needs to be caulked. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go through here and have either myself or someone on our team, so to speak, mark the caulking specifically. They're down by the tub. The commodes are caulked nicely around their base. But yeah, call me Mrs. Caulk Gun. Let's see. Okay, so the closets have fluorescent lighting. I'm okay with it. This is Julia's closet. Let's see what the other lighting fixtures are in the other closets. And for the first time, I get to walk in the media room with lights. Let me find. Okay. Oh, let's see what we haven't tried the fans. Let's try the fans. I can't tell if that's turning in the right direction, but yay! I feel like, yeah, that's the wrong way. I'm not gonna fool with it, but oh, I don't know, maybe I do feel a breeze. It's hard to tell. Something tells me that's turning the wrong direction. Oh, this is gonna be nice, guys. All right, let's see. Likewise, the shared bathroom I have never really seen in good light. Okay, there's caulk and stuff all over here. Wall dinged, but that'll be underneath the mirror. Oh, this is pretty. More caulking I see needs done. It's so pretty, the color of the tile under the light. Gosh, I just love it. And that grout kind of matches the wall color perfectly. It's pretty. Okay. Now let's see what kind, especially, okay, another fluorescent light. This is the guest room closet. Pretty big. Now, oh, that's another thing they'll have to do is come back and do the closet shelving. Oops. Okay, this switch turns on all 3 hall lamps. 1, 2, and 3. That's nice. The entire hallway gets lit up. Okay. There's the girls' closet. Okay, I don't mind the fluorescent lighting in the closets. I think it's actually kind of helpful. I'm going to turn it off though. So glad we did ceiling fans. Here's a look at the backyard. It is still, the fence is still shockingly close to the house. Just gonna have to get used to it. But damn. It'll be interesting to see if they put sod on the side of the fence. Let me see if you can see from here. Okay, you see that stake that's kind of billowing in the wind? That's how close the fence will be. So maybe they will put sod between the fence and that sidewalk. I'll show you from this side. There's another stake down there, but I can't, you can just see the shadow of it. Barely. Anyhow, trust me, when you come here, you're going to be like, oh my God, What happened to the side yard? Okay, let's go downstairs. So there are 3 zones of HVAC controls in the house. There's a zone for the master bedroom, which is the closet in the bathroom. That is set to 78. Let's go look at 2 zones downstairs, and then the upstairs is on its own zone. Okay, this is set to 76. Okay, well, I've got to go to the bathroom. Still not daring to use one of the commodes here. Well, I'll be doggone. Now, I would have thought this would have been fluorescent as well. That's weird. I guess only closets are fluorescent. Okay, guys. I'll be glad when they scrape the paint off the front door, because it's like, this is pretty nice light for after 5 p.m. in late September. Yeah, when they scrape that front window, this will be brighter in here as well. Ooh, ooh. I can see some boo-boos in the sheetrock. Now that will be covered by a mirror. I guess that's why they don't, they were okay with that. Okay, I guess I'm gonna mosey on my way. Let's see. Okay, that's the chandelier. Oh, okay, so that switch turns off, as I said, all 3 hallway lamps. I kind of wish I could see this lit up at night, but oh well. Okay, guys, like I said, off I go. If this is locked, which it is, I'm just going to walk out the door I came in and leave it unlocked. Okay, house. See you next time. Still no progress on the fence until they move that dirt pile. I'm about to drive through the rest of the neighborhood and see the rest of the progress with the fence. This is how I got my shoes so muddy. Okay, this is that second stake I was trying to show you. Now, let me show you how shockingly close. Okay, you see, hopefully, you can see the 2 stakes that are in line. And this is how close we are to the house. So at its closest point, by these windows, it is this close. I'm standing along the line of where the fence will be. Hopefully that feels good in a nice way for privacy. I'm just not sure. But is what it is. So ultimately, it doesn't matter so much. Oh, here's some little critter tracks. Those almost, I don't know, raccoons, birds, I don't know. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut this one short and go take a little spin through the neighborhood. I love you all. It will not be long, I promise. Love to you all. Bye-bye.